Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of March 28th through April 3rd in my vertical planner that I use for wellness and fitness. And the theme I'm going to go with is brought to us by A to Z Planner Themes 2022. The theme is Plant Lady, and you all who have watched my channel for a while know that I love animals and wildlife and nature, just the serene vibes in my wellness and fitness planner. And when I saw that, I was like, aha, because I just did an unboxing of the Book Lover 2.0 kit from Planners Anonymous on Monday. This video is posting on Wednesday, and I very clearly said when I got to the flip through of the sticker book and I got to this page that this would be perfect to put across the center of my wellness and fitness spreads. Like I do that all the time. I love to do that. So that is exactly what we're going to do. I am going to cut it, since it's not all the way big, I'm not going to go across the dots on the spine, I don't think, although I could. The other thing I want to use out of the kit is this washi tape with the gold foil that's got the succulents. I think I want to put it at the bottom of the boxes, maybe. So let me show you what else I pulled. So I had a couple leftover little succulent stickers from some stickers I printed myself from a Ukrainian digital file purchase that I made. And I feel like the purple can match okay, so I can use this one. Some of the others, the yellowy pinky ones, are a little light, so I'm not sure I'll use them all. I have some new hydration stickers. I've actually, they're not new. I've had them in my stash for a long time. I just forgot I had them, and I was rearranging and cleaning and I found them. And I was like, I am absolutely going to use these. So these are from Planner Kate. I will link her Etsy shop in the description box. I also then have this sticker book. It's called Greenhouse. It is a KaiserCraft sticker book. I don't know if you're going to be able to find this or not, but I do have my favorite sources of KaiserCraft sticker books linked in the description box. I have used this book a few times now. These books have 2 pages of 2 copies of each page, and so you can see I try to get one page, stay on one page before I switch to the second page. And so you can see here, like, I've used all these hanging succulents. I haven't used these, so these might be good ones to use. But I feel like they kind of can go, maybe if I need a little bit more, they can go with the kit. So let's just go ahead and get started. First thing I want to do is pull all of my wellness and fitness prompts. I haven't showed this in a little bit. I make my own prompts. I do have a video on how to do this. I will link it in the cards up above. So I have, let's see, my rotating prompt that goes up here under keto, and I'm on how I was kinder this week. And then I have the bottom row boxes, and this is modeled after the original Happy Planner Wellness and Fitness Planner. That one is always journaling, so there's those. And then we'll pull keto. In the original Happy Planner planner, that says exercise. I just replace it with keto because I track my exercise on the days of the week. So I like using a vertical for wellness and fitness because it's a vertical, right? So all of your Happy Planner vertical box stickers will then fit in here. And my kiss cutting is a little light on this one, so I need to cut these apart. So let's see here. Where do I want to start? I guess we'll go ahead and start with the, let's go ahead and put the journaling prompts across the bottom row of boxes real quick. And then we can put the hydration stickers above those. I probably should go ahead and stick my big graphic on here because that'll help me make color decisions for the rest of the spread. So the only problem I have with that is deciding if I go stop at the edge of the boxes or go across the spine. Let's go ahead and put it on here. And I also need to decide if I want to use washi tape too. So I'm just going to put it on there, and then we'll use on the wax paper, and then we'll use the wax paper to help make some decisions. So Yeah, I think I want to go ahead and do, this washi tape, this brown washi tape. So let's start with that. That's upside down. There we go, that's right side up. Is that too much? I'm afraid it's too much. Maybe I should put this across the very, very bottom, because I don't know that I have a couple really long quotes. Let's do that instead. I am changing gears. I'm going to put this across the very bottom. When you're doing a long run of washi tape like this, don't pull it super tight. It's pretty much imperceptible, but it will stretch, and then when it contracts, that's what causes your page to curl. But pull it tight enough to not get a wrinkle in it like I just did. Okay, that's probably all I'm going to need that for. Let's decide. I think I'll have this one come over about 2 boxes, and so I'll cut it there. And then since there are 4 boxes over here and 3 over here, I want to put a little bit less on this side. So let's go ahead, and I'm just going to try to kiss cut this right on the wax paper. If I cut through the wax paper, it's no big deal, because as you can see, this wax paper has been used many, many, many times. So, all right, there we go. Oh, I like that. So pretty. Okay, let's see here. I need to go ahead and pick some words and maybe a weekend banner. So let's see what we have on the quote page here. Go water your plants. The book was better. I love that. Surround yourself with friends, books, and plants. That's a nice long one. I like every book is a new adventure. I like that one. Let's use that one as a kind of a weekend banner. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and get into my KaiserCraft sticker book here and just see if I can find a couple words for over on this side. If not, I'll just write them in. It's really not a problem. So, feeling, I'm going to put love you. I know it's not one word, but that's okay. And be kind for positive word. I'm just going to go ahead and use those 2 up. Those match really well, actually. Oh, there were some more words here. Nope, that's the copy page. Okay. I kind of want to put love here. Well, let's go ahead and get finished setting things up. So, how many workout stickers do I need? Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So these are the bullet points I chose. I got these off of AliExpress. So I'm going to grab my super pointy tweezers and put 4 of those on there. They match those words exactly, actually. Put 4 of those on each day of the week for my food diary. And then I need workout boxes for Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday this week. So I can use these or these. Let's use, I think these match my bullet points a little better. So let's go ahead and pull 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. And then I have those hydration stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up while I set up my center section. So it is hydration, food diary, and workouts. Also, I do have, if you are interested in a Planners Anonymous subscription, if you want to check out the unboxing, I do have then a discount code, discount code for 10% off your first month's subscription. And just for full transparency, I do get a few loyalty points if you use that link. You need to subscribe for 2 months, and then after that, if there's a kit that just isn't your aesthetic, you can skip a month if you want to, or more as needed. So, all right, next I want to set up my left-hand side. So I forgot to look for a word to put above keto. Let's look for that. Let's see. I don't think I want to use the quotes. Keep going. here on the gold, on the page with the clear gold stickers. Let's use Keep Going for above keto. And then let's see if we can find some kind of little decorative divider or something to put in between that and this. Like one of these. Those are pretty. Since it's Plant Lady, let's pick the one that's got the plants. And I just put a smiley face or a frowny face in there, depending on if it was somewhat of a cheat day or not. If I have a glass of wine, which isn't exactly keto. There we go. Okay, so let's come up from the bottom. So I thought what I would do is just pick a small decorative element, like one of these, to go with each word. So the bottom one, so I'm going to work up from the bottom now to maximize the space for this open-ended journaling prompt. So we'll start with that one. And then I can just write the answer right beside it. So that is watching. We are still trying to make our way through all the different Jeopardy episodes we have recorded. We're still on episodes from before Christmas last year. I have been listening to The Birds and the Rain still. I haven't really been listening much to music yet. So I just like the quiet. I grew up with 2 younger sisters, so I feel like I don't know, there wasn't a lot of quiet sometimes when we were kids. So for feeling, love you, all of you guys, and my boys and my family. Okay, next is reading. So this is the one I've been wanting to talk to you all about. I started the new book by CJ, or new author for me, CJ Tudor. One of you all recommended CJ Tudor. If I like Stephen King and I like British authors, yes and yes, to try CJ Tudor. And so I finally got done with all the books. I'm waiting on a couple of my authors to come out with new books. So I had a space in my schedule, if you will. And I'm trying The Chalk Man, which is the first book. I think CJ is a she. And I got sucked in instantly. I mean, what a great way of describing it. If you like British Stephen King, I mean, I haven't read a lot of Stephen King in the last few years, and I just immediately felt like it was a kindred spirit to Stephen King. Loving this book. Whoever you were, I tried to find the comment, I couldn't find it. Thank you for the suggestion, and if you have a book that you love and you are thinking of suggesting it, please do. Love your suggestions. So, okay. So all we have left then is decorating out the top of this. Oh, my scale. Almost forgot my scale again. So I'm thinking, let's see, maybe this light kind of green. Let's see if we can find something to layer it over. So I think there are some like flag type stickers in here. Here we go. Something like that. There's a brown one. Pink polka dotty one. Green. Right there's a green. So I could use a pink one. Or maybe a purple one. Buy the book. Let's go with the brown one. Because I have brown there. And then I can use whatever color I want. So weigh in once a week. And put this just right here. And then let's go with this light green one. If it will come off. Perfect. Okay. Do I want to put, I kind of do. It's not exactly the same color or green, but I feel like if I don't use it, when will I use it? So let's kiss cut this in half, just like I did the other one. And kiss cutting is when you just cut lightly through the sticker so that you cut through the sticker and not the back, not the paper that it's stuck to. So I think I want to put half over here. And let's put our weekend banner on there. Super cute. Done with this. And let's put the other half on the other side. Just because I really want to use these stickers up. And I feel like they match close enough. Yes. Okay. And then the question becomes, what do I want to go ahead and put more of these on there? Just to kind of tie that all in and just leave it without a lot of quotes. I'm leaning toward that. I'm leaning toward that. I love all these stickers, but maybe I will. Let's just do it. Let's just use these up. I have some pink there. So since this one doesn't have pink and this one does have pink, we'll put this one over here. And we'll put this one over here. There. I kind of feel like there's a little bit of an couple little empty spaces, but I don't know if it's worth squishing more stuff in there. I mean, I guess I could use a couple more of these little, maybe a couple books. Let's put a couple books on there. Or how about a book and a key, a Harry Potter key? If you watched my unboxing, you know why I think those look like Harry Potter keys. I brought that up. Let's put a book down here. Since there are books right there, so I didn't want to put the book there. But there are no books over here. So, and then let's put a Harry Potter key on there. These just look like the keys from when they're the flying keys. There we go. That's properly filled up. I like that. I think it's great just the way it is. So let's put it in my planner. There we go. There is my Plant Lady succulent spread using the Book Lover 2.0 kit from Planners Anonymous. Check them out. Check out some of my unboxings. Feel free to use my discount code if you want for 10% off your first subscription. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to shop small and try some new and different stickers and try setting up your planner to make it work for you. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.